In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flag emails as tasks in Microsoft Outlook. If you ever open your inbox, see something important, but don't have the time to handle it right away, this quick method will save you. It's called Quick Flag, and it turns any email into a follow-up task in a single motion, so you can keep moving without losing track of what matters. Start in your inbox and move your mouse over the message you want to remember. As you hover, you'll notice a set of quick actions appear. One of those is the flag icon on the right side. This hover reveals the tools you need without opening the email or digging through menus, which is perfect when you're triaging a busy inbox. Next, click the flag icon on the right side of that email. With just that one click, Outlook marks the message and sets it as a follow-up. You'll see the flag light up to confirm it's tracked. There's no need to open the message or switch views. This is the fastest way to capture an email as something you'll come back to. As soon as you've clicked the flag, Outlook automatically creates a follow-up task linked to that email. Think of it as a reminder that travels with the message. You'll be able to find it in your task or to-do views, and the flagged email itself becomes easy to spot in your inbox. This automatic link is the key benefit. You don't need a separate task entry or notes about where the request came from. The original email is the task. This is especially helpful when you're scanning through new messages. You can move quickly, flag the ones that require action, and continue with your day. Later, when you're ready to work from a list, your flagged items are already organized for you. It keeps your inbox lighter and your priorities clearer. A few practical tips to keep this smooth. Use